Good day, everybody. Brian here, quantlabsnet.com. This video today, I want to talk about probably one of the most exciting charting packages you can get online for your software applications, and this also includes finance as well. So if you go to my channel under the playlist here, Quant Labs, at Quant Labs, and just go under playlist right here. In here, you'll find a playlist that's fairly old, 11 years. For lightning charts. So if you want to see some really unique charts, really eye-catching, this is the product that you should check out. So as you know, I'm working with soon to be a new system platform, when you call it, specifically for options and futures trading. This is options with futures. So if you go to lightningchart.com, in here, what you'll find is they're really starting to focus on Lightning Chart. They do also support Python, which for me is really good because it's hard to for. Well, I'm going to be honest. I'm lazy. I like my Python, and I move over. It's hard for me to move over to anything else. So they will support .NET charts, Python, JavaScript. So this is one of the rare packages you can get for having Python support. So when it comes to trading specific, here you can see, just looking at the visuals, Lightning Chart Trader. This is built in JS, JavaScript. So you can see here some of the things you can do with it. It's probably the best visual I've seen ever. You can also do 3D as well. So you got your simple technical analysis. Um, and believe me, man, I love them all. This is like an extra special one. You can also get into 3D charts. And I think this right here, what you're seeing right here, is the power of it. And here you can also do live as well. And you can get visual for if you're doing bid and ask spread, that sort of thing. You can do different types of dashboards. It's very powerful. And then if you want, you can add in the geo maps as well. And then again, all the different customizable charts available. It's not going to be on the level of Trading View, but I do think if you're into custom programming, custom charts, this is something that, yeah, you should take a look at. So let's specifically take a look at a couple of ones that might be useful. As I said, there's the Lightning Chart Trader. You can see here, it just I've not seen anything like this before. And what makes this very distinctive is um, that there's Python support. That's the really good thing. So let's get into some specific things like options trading. Okay, so this is equity trading, stock option trading. Um, so in here, you can see the different types of things you can do. This is really built for, I guess, startups, fintech, namely. So there's our introduction. So this is the interesting thing here is you can get, let me just show you here, probably better. This component right here is 3D. This would be equivalent to an option chain, be either on a put or a call. Um, so there's some actual videos in here. I'm going to see it. And this is all in JavaScript. And from what I understand, it's been verified. You should be able to do the same thing with Python as well. So that's the really, really exciting thing as far as I know. Where are the videos? There are a bunch of videos in here I could show you. I just don't want to show you the live because it's a lot of work, licensing involved, blah, blah, blah. Okay, here's what I want to show you. Okay, so this component right here is 3D. Okay, so here you have your call put, and you can see up come will the part of the option chain. Obviously, it's customizable, but I'm sure that this can be live as well. So this type of visualization is pretty good. Um, and there's a lot of other unique kind of looking charts here. So let me show you another one here. So right here, uh, if you wanted to look at NVIDIA call put, uh, you can see things that you wouldn't see otherwise in anything else. You can't even do this in TradingView, that I know, or any platform that for that matter. But let me just see if I can blow this up. And yeah, I think you could probably do it live as well. So you can see here a data set, the volume, and the premium, I guess. Yeah, volume and premium. And this is the sort of thing that will give you a lot of advantage and the traders would call trading edge over anybody else to see it visually. Um, so let me see if there's some videos in here. Uh, yeah, there's a bunch of videos. So right here, let me just pull this one up. Okay. So you can see here, it can rotate the whole thing. You can also see a legend here as well on the video and the premium for options, both on the call side, put side, just as a different type of demo that's available. And there's a lot more. Again, as I said, you can download some of the demos uh, that they have, and they go into pretty good description on how this would work. Um, I haven't seen this package yet, but as I said, I'm just introducing you to, if you've been with me for a long time, just reintroducing you to this pretty powerful trading package. A platform can easily be built out of this for both JavaScript and Python, as I said, so it can be obviously web enabled. Anyways, we'll leave it at that. I just want to introduce you to this. If you want to know more about what I do and learn more about LightningChart, because we're going to do very specific things with these charting capabilities as I progress in my system. I've already shown some of the capabilities on the YouTube channel, the different types of data and viewing of the data. If you want to know more, just go into my email newsletter and yeah, just give me your name and email. I don't release that info to anybody, so you can have fun with all that stuff as we move along in the development and the way it's progressing. It's going to be kind of like a framework, and a community will come out of it specifically on, like, we can do it all now, including crypto, stock, ETF, but now we're adding the full institutional level type of trading with futures and options for option on futures, not stock and equity, which is really where a lot of the HFT firms trade and the like for that. Anyways, I'll leave it at that. Thanks for watching. And yeah, the lightning chart is going to be pretty impressive going forward. Over and out. Later.